This is my Cali King Hannibal eating a fuzzy. Pretty cool stuff. But he's not too bright. It appears he's going for the ass end this time. I've only seen him do that like maybe 2 or 3 times. He's getting a little bit nervous. He's still working it. It's only been a couple days since he's eaten. But this guy's got a really good appetite that king snakes are famous for. And he doesn't let me down. If I can zoom in here. No. Damn cheap camera. This is my friend Brian, who's also recording the debauchery.
In about a month, we're going to have an episode strictly on baby ball python, so don't worry. But for now, we're going to take a look at what Brian's got so far this year. I mean, it's not much, but it's just a little dabble in what
Very
he's
cool stuff.
Brian was showing you that he bred a pinchback through the